this is Samta Jain from Mr. Kitchen. Let me take you through the various products of a kitchen. Firstly, our entire frame structure is made up of 20 mm stainless steel square pipes. Provided with stainless steel Z angles and baskets, we provide lifetime warranty against the rusting of water. Our entire baskets are detachable and can be easily shifted to any other place. The major challenge in a modular kitchen is the rusting of slides due to water, spilling of salt or any other kitchen ingredients. But our unique Z-angle coverings provides protection to the slides and prevent from the damages. Generally, in a normal modular kitchen, we find the baskets are directly attached to the slides and shutter, making it difficult to remove it for cleaning and damages the shutter during the cleaning. But our unique Z angle makes the basket easily detachable for cleaning. Our bottom on wheel drawer is highly appreciated by our Indian ladies. It helps in easy cleaning of floor and also increases the weight bearing capacity of the drawer. We also provide the guide wheels for the smoother functioning. We provide shutters in marine ply. We have various shutter options with different materials and colors. All the shutters are manufactured on the latest machineries to give the best finish. We provide car case in marine or MDF as per customer's requirement. These car cases are modular and can be easily dismantled. Beneath the sink, we provide dustbin and detergent holder. In L-shaped platform, we ensure the full utilization of corner. We provide a trolley which comes out smoothly and you can place your cylinder in that corner. And not to forget the wide range of the handle, a round and a square shape in matte and chrome finish which gives you a variety to choose from. And in our exclusive G-section profile handles, you get perfectly crafted designer handles which gives you an awesome look to your kitchen. Many a time, a customer asks for high-end kitchen, so we have a perfect solution for them. In our high-end kitchens, we provide tandem box drawers. The weight-bearing capacity of the first drawer is 30 kg and the second and the lower drawer contain up to 65 kg. As a quality addition, we give soft closing drawers as well as hinges of Hafele, a German brand, for smoother functioning. One more feature that adds beauty to this kitchen is its corner. We provide twin corner and each basket holds the weight up to 35 kg. A special feature, Weaker basket, catches the eye of every customer. You can keep onion, potatoes, fruits and vegetables in it. And last but not the least, the beautiful ladder unit. This beautiful ladder unit gives an ample space for the storage. For cabinets, we have different Aventos systems such as HK, HS, HF and many more. So, what are you waiting for? Please visit our website www.mrkitchen.co.in. After all, Mr. Kitchen, good kitchen, happy family.